Now, thousand, thigh five swung, slowly mumbling, raise your hip up maximum. Okay, try to. Namaste everyone. This is Vinod, yoga teacher, now fit yoga and fitness, and this is my Kim. So today we're gonna talk about the therapy yoga. The therapy is in a simple way, it's a treatment. So treatment for back pain, treatment for knee pain, treatment for stress. Okay. So in today the main topic is we are gonna teach you the therapy yoga on back pain, shoulder pain, and neck pain. So in our daily hurried life, we sit almost 8 to 10 hours. We worked on a chair, continuously working on the laptop and everything. So for that reason, the human body is not ready to sit for 8 to 10 hours in a day. So what happens usually when you sit longer, okay, the front muscles become shorter, okay, and the back muscles become weak. So for this reason, some people they feel a hunch at your neck, that is the cervical kyphosis, the arch type structure. So in this class is very helpful for those people. So please watch this video, okay, until the end. It's okay. Wide of the hands, high thigh. Now slowly finger lock, tongue tie. Stretch your hands and slowly look up. Keep stretching your hands and now thousand. Exhale. Slowly bend the body forward. Look front. Inhale. Lock your fingers. Palm facing upward. Kneel. Look up. Now thousand feet up. Bend the body forward. Try to keep your back straight. Tongue lung. Okay. Hip palm. High thigh. Lung. Stretch. Stretch maximum. Okay. Try to keep your back straight. Tongue thigh. Keep pulling up your body like this. Okay. Now stay here. Tongue thigh. Mop. High. Back. Fold. Numb. So by okay, now thousand, high thigh, high bun, wider the hands, keep your back straight, knee tongue, look front, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, okay, relax, hands down, come to the center, with the slowly, now, gup thigh 5, bend your right hand around the back, thigh chai, lung, hit. Now slowly bend your left palm, hit palm, thousand, turn your neck to the left side, knee tongue, look front, don't look up, knee tongue, look front here, okay, hit palm, lung, stretch, stay there, thousand, bend your left hand, turn to your left side, knee tongue, keep your back straight, hit palm, lung, stretch, tongue thigh, no, same, thousand, sung, hit palm, lung, stretch, knee tongue, thousand, sung. I have to make here for at least 10 counts, okay, and make a shorter, hit palm, lung, thousand, sung, okay, stay here, don't pull your right shoulder up, okay, and it should be down, keep stretching towards the left side, 1, 2, 3, tongue lung, keep your back straight, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, now take your hands to the shoulder level, inhale, exhale, twist your right side maximum, now slowly twist your spine towards the right side, keep your both the shoulders in the line, okay, and keep your back straight, yes, hit palm, center, come center, thousand, twist your left side, the instructions will be same, okay, try to focus on your shoulders and slowly twist your left side, okay, look back, don't raise your hip up, hit palm, then thousand, twist your right side, okay, stay here, keep looking back, keep breathing, 1, 2, 3, stay here, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tay phải, gập tay, tay trái lần stretch. Slowly go down, drop your hip. Okay, mom xuống, don't raise your hip. Hip palm, center stretch. Thousand, same. Bench high, don't raise your hip. Slowly go down. Okay, inhale, center. Exhale, slowly turn to your right side. Okay, your palm, stay there. Your palm and your hip in the same line. So slowly take your. Okay, stay there. Mom xuống. Try to drop your hip. Một, hai, ba, bốn, năm, sáu, bảy. Okay, hip palm center. Okay, hip palm, hai tay, hai bên, wide of the legs. Okay, now tay trái, catch your right ankle. Now slowly keep your spine straight. Look back maximum. Now slowly flex your toes, hai chân. Flex your toes maximum. Swipe by. Yes. Look back. Now hip palm, hai tay, lần thẳng thigh, stretch finger lock. Try to keep your spine straight. Pull your body. Okay. Now thousand. Swipe tie. Twist your left side. Okay. Try to keep your back straight. Both the hands shoulder level in the same line. Hip palm, hai tay, lần stretch. Thousand, swipe five. Twist your right side. Look back. Stay here. 1. Swipe 5. 2. You have to stay. 3. Mom xuống. 4. 5. Flex your toes. 6. 7. Okay. Hip palm, hai tay, lần. Now thousand, tay phải xuống. Slowly mom lần. Raise your hip up maximum. Okay. Try to pull your hip forward. Lăn. Hip palm center. Mom xuống. Okay. Now thousand. Tay trái. Catch your right knee. And tay phải lần. Bend towards the left leg. Okay. Stay here. Knee thân. Hip palm. Hai tay. Lần thẳng thigh. Thousand. Tay phải xuống. Mom lần. Raise your hip up maximum. Okay, stay here. Mom lần. Try to push your hip up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those who are having the wrist pain, please avoid this pose. 6, 7. Hip palm center stretch. Thousand. Drop your left hand on your right knee. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, relax. Hai tay xuống. Chút xíu. Hai chân hai bên. Wider the legs. Okay, hai tay thẳng thigh like this. Now hip palm. Lower the belly. Knee look up. Stretch maximum. Thousand. Haunch your back. Look at your navel. Okay. Here hip palm. Lunge maximum. Knee look up. Okay. Your knees always on your hip. Okay. Keep remember. And slowly thousand. Drop the head. Haunch your back. Feel the haunch here. And look at your navel. Hip palm. Knee look up. Okay. Thousand. Knee xuống. Drop the head. You have to make this for at least 10 rounds. Hip palm, lunge, stretch. Knee lunge. Okay, stay there. 1. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, thousand. Haunch your back. Look at the navel. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax. Now, same. Take your right leg forward. Cheng Fai, lunge. Okay, chang cha chup su siklon che. Chang cha lan, yes. Your right knee over the ankle and your left knee over the hip. Now hip bow, hai tai lan stretch. Okay, chup su sik sung. Okay, kneel tongue. Try to keep your back straight. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, inhale. Exhale, drop your left hand on your right knee. Swipe by, twist maximum. Look back. Okay, tập trung. Focus on your pose. Stay here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, hip bow, hai tai, lân, tongue thigh. Now thâu giờ hai tai xuống, drop your hands. Okay, tăng chân, mom lân. So here, drop your left hip bow, thâu giờ hai tai, so slowly, tăng lân. Keep your back straight, knee tongue, look front. Stay here for 7 counts. 1, knee tongue. 2, 3, try to keep your hips square. 4, your front heel and your back heel in the same line. 6, 7, okay? Yes, okay? Thumbs up. Lie down your belly. Thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up. Yes. Now, hai tai, tongue thigh. Take your hands forward. Hai chân, tongue chân. Now, as you inhale, hip bow. Hai chân, hai tai lân. Knee tongue, look front. Now, thâu giờ, slowly drop your head. Chân sung, tai sung. Hip bow, lân, stretch maximum. Knee tongue, look front. Stretch. Thâu giờ, drop your legs and your hands. Hip bow, lân, stretch. Stay here. Now hold balance on your belly here and should have a nice curve here. 7, 6, keep breathing. 5, 4, tongue chân. 6, don't bend your knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Hai tai, gập lại and slowly come to the baby cobra pose. Okay. Push your chest forward, knee tongue, look front. Try to keep your elbows over the shoulders, okay? Knee tongue, stay here. 1, hai chân, tongue chân. Stretch your legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? Now slowly mumlan. Come to the table pose. Mumlan. Okay, yes. Hai chân, hai bun. Wider the legs. Okay. Tata. Hip bow. Thâu giờ. Drop your right shoulder to the down. Drop your right shoulder. Now inhale, center. Hai tai, tongue thigh. Drop your left shoulder on the floor. Okay. Knee look up, stretch maximum. Hip bow, center, hai tai, tongue thigh. Thâu giờ, twist your Wi-Fi, swung, knee look up, stay here. Okay, your knees over, hips, mop, high, bang, bone, knee length, keep breathing, numb, so, way, okay, relax. Hai tai, tongue thigh. Now drop your left shoulder. Knee look up. Twist. Mop. High. Bang. Bone. Numb. So. Way. Okay, relax. Thigh swung. Slowly embed a baby pose. Yes, okay. Bend your knees. Hai chân apply. Okay. Now take your right leg up and place your right knee over the left upper thigh. Okay, hai tai, catch your left shin bone. Okay, like this. Slowly stretch your, pull your legs toward the chest. Okay, try to drop your, keep maintain that your hip on the floor. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, relax. Now drop your both legs. Hai chân, tăng chân, chân phải xuống. Hai chân, tăng chân. Stay here for 7 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, same. Bend your knees. Hai chân apply. Now đôi chân. Take your left leg. Okay, hai thigh. Take both hands under the left leg. Catch your right shin bone. Now pull your legs towards the chest. Okay, try to drop your lower back. Stay here. Knee lunge. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax. Tăng chân. Hai thigh, hai bun. Hai chân, tăng chân. Set your both legs forward. Okay, close your eyes and rest your body in the Shavasana at least for 3 minutes. Okay, appreciate that you still here with us until the end of the video. So please like this video and comment and let us know about your feeling on therapy class. Okay, and see you again. Thank you. Namaste.